Today I am reviewing this eye massaging mask from SKG. They sent me this to review and I thank them for that. See, it has this nice cool box, so make a great gift. It has like a little magnetic closure in there. Makes it a little extra nice to open up. You can see everything is nicely packaged. Down there we have our charging cord in there. And right here we have the massager. Wow, look at this thing. Has this cool chrome finish on it, and look at all these little guys right here. This is wild. Has your on-off button right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Hear it play music. See it moving around. There's soothing mode. Sleep mode. Adjustable headband right here. You can just press the button to adjust. Playing this music. There's vibrate mode right here. And they're all like going individually. It's really wild. Putting a little heat on too, which is nice. Playing me a little music. Here's soothing mode. It kind of goes around in a circle. Here's sleep mode. It's very small pressure, like teeny little bits, all in different areas. And here's the eye exercise mode. Seems to be just pulsating right here, over and over. And then down here, like kind of at the corners of your eyes. There's vibrate mode, which just goes around in a circle and then back and all over the place, kind of wild. I'd say that's my least favorite mode, but everyone's going to be different. Overall, I'd say I like soothing mode. Looks cool, look like Data, like from Star Trek. And pretty cool product. Has heat on these outer corners right here. And you can plug it in with USB-C right here. Overall, interesting product, and could help make you feel rejuvenated. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.